Hi, I'm Tim Ryan of SimpliFi Audio, based in San Diego, Southern California. And I'm manufacturer's rep for essentially 3 lines: Harbeth BBC monitors, Resolution Audio, and DNM electronics. This is a block diagram of a typical audiophile system here, where you've got all these expensive power cords and interconnects, and it's a whole mix and match type thing. Versus the resolution audio system, where you've got just one power cord and one power center distributing the power and ground radially to the other modules. So, and each of these interfaces are optimized interfaces, whereas this is a mix and match thing, and a very expensive one. The basic resolution audio system consists of these two modules here. And I've just put a laptop PC here just to give you an idea of the scale of these. The power supply and the system controller is all located in this chassis. And then the delicate electronics is on this remote chassis. So typically they'd be separate like that. How we get away with the pattern without having the interconnects is it has this very clever 25-pin DIN socket here underneath. So this then mates with other modules in the system. In fact, there's 2 other modules. This is the mating dock. So to add an amplifier to the system, you just simply insert like so. And dock it. And there you go. And you've got your 3 extra inputs here. This is the final module in the resolution audio system, and basically adds all the extra inputs that resolution audio users have been asking for over the years. It gets essentially 3 centuries of audio 2-channel replay all in one box. It's got, as I said, the phono, both DNM, it's got a DNM moving magnet, moving coil in phono stage, both in RCA and DIN, and 5 digital inputs including USB, which is very, very nifty. So you can drive, have your music imported in iTunes, stored in 16-bit, 44.1 kHz or Apple lossless, and then have the that data stream output to the this USB module here, which then feeds the signal into the DAC, which is here, and then the DAC will upsample that to 768 kHz and increase the word length from 16-bit to 24-bit. So this is also how the system handles the high-res formats. So the net result is you get very, very fine resolution. It's the name of the company, Resolution Audio. It's true to its name. Over here beside the resolution audio system we have the DNM system, which is in many ways the original of the species. Dennis Moorcroft is one of the best outside-the-box thinkers in audio and is recognized as such. He's been in the business since the late 70s. Dennis Moorcroft put the capacitor on the map, the importance of power supplies on the map, and actually has invented his own form of capacitor called the T-network capacitor. Dennis basically pays a lot of attention to the basic laws of physics and magnetics, in that if I've got a conductor conducting electrons, it's going to generate a pulsating magnetic field around it. Well, any metallic object I put near that, that magnetic field, the pulsating magnetic field, will induce an eddy current, hence robbing the signal of some energy. So to avoid that, the cables are made of plastic. Even the connectors are made of plastic. This is a DIN connector using plastic. This may look cheap and cheesy, but believe me, this is the nth degree of high resolution. So right from the very get-go here at the back, all the inputs are using non-metallic connectors, DIN, and using small pins. That is to avoid the large eddy current losses that you get in larger pins. For example, XLR is not as good as this. That has been carried out to the extreme on this. Even the potentiometers you might notice here have plastic bodies. I hope that this will encourage other users to perhaps rethink the complexity of their systems and get off the power cord and interconnect merry-go-round, all that mismatching that's going on, There are a few companies out there who really do take a complete systems approach, and these are the other ones, and I'm happy to have them. Thank you. The resolution audio equipment is available on a home trial basis through my company, SimpliFiAudio.com. Likewise, the DNM equipment is available that way also. And the way it works essentially is you pay for it up front, you have 15 days for a home trial, and if you're not entirely satisfied, you return it back, and there's just a small restocking fee, handling fee, just to cover the shipping costs. So that's essentially it. Thank you very much.
Thank you.